Money, happy money. Guys, Bitcoin right now costs $47,000. Guess what? We don't care for Bitcoin. We just made over 1000% trade two secret coins. Guys, take a look at this. In order to find those coins, you have to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Remember, trade, it's a fight between buyers and sellers. Let me give you an example here. Volume spike, Ethereum. It say, my soft say the volume spike 258%. Let's check it's true. Let's go to the charts. Ethereum price. Let's go down here on the volume. You see those candles increasing right here. It's all about the volume spike, guys. Just two secret coins, over 1000%. Secret coin 1, right here. January 5th, the volume of this coin was $185,000. Volume pumped to 2.6 million. Secret coin number 2. Guess what? On January 2nd, the volume of this coin was $13,000. And volume today, the volume pumped to $735,000. And volume today, it's 9.4 million. You have to track the volume before you find the pump. What kind of trades let me talk about? Trades I share in the private list on the last 3 days were blockchain Brawlers, BADMAD routers, Waltonchain, and hot cross. Guys, remember, trade, it's a fight between buyers and sellers, okay? So buyers and sellers, we all jump together on the buyer side. That's the reason the price goes up, because we track, my soft track the move, okay? Take a look at this. Bad routers and blockchain over 1000%. We made 750% trade this coin right here. I shared this trade in the private list on January 6th. We bought this coin for 0.001 and put a sell order up here 0.008. 728%. I made 750. Blockchain blowers, guys. I shared this trade in the private list right here on January 8th. We bought this coin for 0.004 and put a sell order up here 0.02. Guys, 2 cents. 400% profit. I share all my trades in the private list. TradeKitoTime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you, and you're gonna make 25% per week. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. You already know all the good stuff. Give me a like this video and share. And remember, together we are strong. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list, because sharing my trades in the private list, more people buying the same coin at the same time, price up then fast. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.